guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am participating in the Make It New challenge. I'll give you the details later. It's about making something that is not in good conditions look as new as possible. In this part I just want to show you the things I'm going to work on. These are things my daughter and I found in the dumpsters. We are dumpster divers. I hope you know that already. The link to our channel is in the description box. Dumpster Chicks, please pay a visit. And most of these things goes to donation. We only keep like a 15% of what we find. But if something is not in good conditions, we donate it after repairing it. So I'm going to try to fix all these things and then I will donate them. I don't know about this one. I don't have room for this one, but I like it too much. These are simple things. Needs cleaning, painting and gluing. But I wanted you to see them before, how we found them in the dumpster. This is really beautiful. We were lucky to find both parts. This requires a little bit more work. We were lucky enough to find the horn. I need to clean it, and it had some chip in here and here. As you can see, it's a piggy bank. I think it would be lovely for a girl's room. So I'm going to fix this one also. And this one, this is from Pier 1, which is closing its stores by the end of October, so they are discarding a lot of things. The price in this was like, let me see, $29.95, and it's for utensils. As you can see, it says forks, knives, and this one, you guess it, it was for the spoons, but it's broken. So I'm going to work on this piece. Of course I can't use this, but I'm going to replace, I have in mind other thing to place here, and I'll try to give all these things a new chance in life, and they will go to a forever home, hopefully. So this is it for now. I'll see you later when everything is finished or almost finished, and well, just wait and see. Okay, I'm back now, and I have almost finished all my make new items. I'm going to finish this one on camera. I hope you remember. It had some stains, it was broken here, so I painted it white, spray painted it white with Rust-Oleum, and then I repainted the blue part with a regular acrylic apple barrel, and I tried E6000, I tried Gorilla Glue for wood. There was no way to get the both sides to stick together without being seen. This mark is a mark that I made to place the shell. It's nothing that has to do with the crack, but the crack could be seen. So what I thought was, well, this is kind of a beach looking sign. I'm going to add some shells, and I'm going to solve the problem hiding this glue. So now I'm removing this. There is kind of some bleeding, but I like it because it looks like sea or the ocean. Don't you think so? Yeah, I like it. Okay, so I'm going to place the shells in the marks I've already made. Like so. Well, doesn't want to stay there. Okay, I think it needs more glue. Maybe it will need some reinforcement with this 6000 later. But for the time being, it is going to work. In the meantime, let me tell you that this challenge is hosted by Yessenia from Be Thrifty 2, and her co-host this month is Kiki from Kiki's DIYs. I will leave, as usual, the link to their channels in the description box, and also the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to be entered in this challenge. Please visit all the videos and visit both channels, and you will get a lot of inspiration. So please do that. I will also leave the link to my and my daughter's dumpster diving channel. My God, sorry. It's late, let me tell you, it's almost 2 a.m. So I'm worse than usual. So I will leave that link also, and if you want to pay a visit to our channel, I will really appreciate that. It's a lot of fun. So that would be there too. We enjoy a lot saving treasures, and I enjoy a lot fixing them before donating, like I'm doing in this case, because I'm not going to donate something that is broken. And I don't remember. Okay, I've glued all of them. So I really enjoy fixing things and then donating them. Okay, this one is finished. This was, I was reading, it was a $49.99 sign from Kirkland's. Can you believe it? Too much money. Not worthy for me. So let's move on to another item. You remember I had this horse, it's a piggy bank. It was pink. I wanted to repaint it pink. It had some cracks, and there were parts that where the color was off. And I tried painting it pink, like here, but I didn't have spray paint, so I painted it by hand, and you can see the marks. It didn't look good, so I decided to spray paint it white again with Rust-Oleum, and then I could cover all the things that were wrong. I have to add the horn here. I'm going to use both E6000 and hot glue to make sure it stays in place. So let me do this. I'm going to add hot glue here. Okay, now let's glue this. Okay, and I have to remove all this glue that's coming through the borders. Okay. This is easy to remove even once it's dried, so I'm not going to worry much about that right now. I always have a washcloth in hand for this kind of cases. It's really helpful. Okay, so we now need to give this time to dry, and what I decided to do to make it more interesting was to add these pom-poms. My daughter and I found all these in the dumpster along with this one at Michael's. so I'm using them here and in another DIY here. You can see that they are too separated for my taste, for what I wanted. So what I did was I took one, they are sulfur adhesive, I took one piece and placed it on top of the other one, alternating the pom-poms, like so. Here, another one here, and here you have it. So I already started. I added hot glue because the adhesive is not too strong. So now I'm going to finish this part. I think I need like or this one, I don't know, I think here. So now I'm going to adhere this here. And I'll hide this as much as possible. It was the perfect amount of pom-poms, fortunately. Okay. So now we have our horse almost finished because it has to dry. The horn is finished, but we have to wait till this dries. And I really like how it looks. I think it got really a new life. So this was let me tell you, $24.99, and we got it for free. I think it's for Kilgrams also. I don't know. I don't remember where we found it. Okay, then we had this. Oh, I forgot to tell you that, but maybe you saw it when I turned it around, that I added a little piece here, a bit of ice cream sticks to make the glue hold better and to give it more strength. And I did it the same with this one. This one was broken here, so I adhered both pieces, and then I added bits of the stick, the wooden stick, and I decided to hide the part where the glue is, adding these pom-poms also. This didn't have anything, it was just the sign and the plaid fabric, and I think that it's more festive this way. I really like how it ended up being. So, well, that's another one. And the last one is already finished because I don't want to make this video, as I always say, a Hollywood movie. Let me move this. Oh, sorry for the noise. It was this piece, if you remember. It had 3 containers that read, one read forks, the other read spoons. The spoons ones was the one that was broken, and the other one read knives. And it was this was already printed also. So I decided that I could do anything about the spoons one, but I wanted to rescue the other 2. So I added this ribbon and I added this bow here, and I already had this mini basket that a friend of mine gave me, and I was using it somewhere else. It already had the ribbon, and I added this candle here and this greenery here, and I have a beautiful farmhouse piece, the core piece, that, as I told you, it was, I think, $29.99, something like that. You can look at the price at the first part of the video, and I really like how it looks. I don't know if I have room for this in my kitchen, because it matches my kitchen perfectly. Otherwise I will donate it. But I really, sorry, it's out of frame, really like how it looks. So I'm happy that I could rescue it and still use these containers, because they are beautiful. I hear the words spoons, knives and forks with the ribbon. And for these utensils, they are not matching, but at some point I'm going to buy this one in this color, if I keep it. If not, I'm going to donate it as it is. I had to cut, because they were too tall, too long, I had to cut a piece of each of them for them to be shorter and fit in here, and not to be seen. They were like, sorry, I'm out of camera. I placed them here, and they were taller than this circle here, so that's why I cut them. I had them around, and when I started thinking what I'm going to put here, I thought, oh, let me look in that drawer. I think I have exactly what I need, and so that's what I used. I'm going to try to move the camera so you can see it better. So, well, these are all the items that I have to repair and make new, and to be donated and maybe kept. I'm still thinking, and I'm really happy. I'm really happy because I think that there is going to be some people that is going to enjoy them, and that makes me happy. Hope you like this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you do all that, I'm going to be so happy that my happiness is going to reach you, and you are going to be happy too. And as I always say, all your dreams will come true. Okay, jokes apart, please visit the hostesses channels. Thank you to both of them for hosting, and also visit the playlist and our dumpster diving channel. Why not? Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you in my next one. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.